A tripod for a GoPro Lit HERO must be the perfect blend of stability, portability, and durability, capable of withstanding the same rugged environments the camera is designed for. Here we explore 3 tripods for GoPro Lit HERO.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have GoPro Shorty Tripod. The GoPro Shorty is the official pocket-sized partner for your Lit HERO camera, embodying the ultimate in grab-and-go convenience. It is engineered as a miniature extension pole that quickly converts into a tripod. When collapsed, the Shorty is small enough to fit comfortably in a pocket, making it perfect for spontaneous shots, travel vlogging, and everyday use where minimal bulk is essential. Its greatest strength is its dual functionality. It serves as a comfortable, non-slip hand grip for shooting on the move and quickly deploys its 3 small legs for stable, level shots on any flat surface. The extended length, while modest, offers just enough reach for close-up selfies, group shots, and slightly elevated angles, providing a quick and secure base without the hassle of a full-size tripod. On number 2, we have Cakurt 53.5-inch tripod. For creators who require serious height and distance from their camera, the Cakurt 53.5-inch tripod provides an excellent solution. This tripod falls into the category of lightweight, extendable pole tripods, designed to give your GoPro Lit HERO a significant elevation, making it ideal for high-angle shots, stable standing shots in a crowd, or capturing large sweeping landscapes. Its multi-segment telescopic design allows it to collapse into a relatively portable size while providing over 4 feet of extended height, which is crucial for achieving unique perspectives that a mini tripod cannot deliver. Often constructed from lightweight materials like aluminum, it strikes a balance between necessary elevation and travel friendliness, ensuring that you can easily carry it on your adventures while still maintaining a stable shooting platform when fully extended for time lapses and stable video. On number 3, we have Hocoder Flexible Tripod. The Hocoder Flexible Tripod, representing the popular octopus style of mounting systems, is the ultimate tool for creative and unorthodox camera placements. Its key feature is its 3 highly bendable and segmented legs, which are wrapped in high-grip rubber or foam. This design allows the tripod to do much more than just stand on level ground. It can be securely wrapped around poles, railings, tree branches, or uneven rocks, providing a stable mount in virtually any environment. This flexibility makes it indispensable for action sports, nature photography, or vlogging in challenging locations where a standard tripod would fail. The Hocoder model and similar flexible tripods typically include a ball head that offers 360-degree rotation and angle adjustment, giving the user complete control over the framing, regardless of how the legs are secured. So these are some of the best tripods to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.